All right, let's practice some mixed consonant blends with short vowel O that says ah. Let's start with our final consonant blend of MP, and we'll put ST in front. Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch this word. Stomp. Good. Let's tap and stretch again. Stomp. I bet you heard the word there, didn't you? Let's say it fast. Stomp. Say it fast. Stomp. Yeah, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Good. Let's take that ST and use it at the end. And we'll use consonant blend FR in the front. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Ready? Frost. Good. Let's do it again. Listen for the word. Frost. Good. Say it fast. Frost. Say it fast. Frost. Frost. Like there's frost on the car window this morning. Mom had to scrape it off. Good job. Let's do ND at the end, and we'll keep our FR. Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch. Frond. Tap and stretch again. Frond. Let's say it fast. Frond. Say it fast. Frond. Yeah, frond. A palm frond is a big leaf on a palm tree. Let's try BL in the front. Are you ready? Blonde. Good. Tap and stretch it again. Blonde. Say it fast. Blonde. Say it fast. Blonde. Oh, my sister has blonde hair. Good work practicing mixed consonant blends with short vowel O.